Okay. Sabi sa verse na ito, sa mga verses na ito, Jesus is the vine. Let's say, a vine. With flowers, with leaves. And we are the branches. Ganyan. And the Father ay ang gardener. The Father is the gardener. And the vine is Jesus. And tayo are the branches. Ngayon, doon sa verses, may dalawang ways kung paano mag-result ang isang branch. Yung una is a branch that does not bear fruit. Not a branch that does not bear branch. Subject verb agreement. Does not bear fruit. And the other one is the one who bears fruit. Yung nag-bears ng fruit. Ngayon, bakit particular si Jesus sa pag-bear ng fruit? Hindi ba enough na connected tayo sa Kanya? Hindi ba enough na tayo ay may faith sa Kanyang ginawa sa atin? Bakit kailangan natin gumawa, may gawin? First of all, may konting tama doon. Ang ating salvation ay nakadepend lang sa ating faith by grace alone. Pero, yung faith na yon ay dapat mag-work. So, hindi siya faith and works, yun ay faith that works. Ang result, yung ating last Bible study, sabi doon, ang result ng pag-love kay Jesus is keeping His commandments. Di ba? John 14 verse 15, if you love me, keep my commandments. So, ito na yung part na yun. Bearing fruit means showing the fruits of the Spirit. Ano yun?
Love,
Love,
joy,
joy,
peace,
peace,
long suffering, kindness,
kindness.
goodness,
Anong pagkakaiba ng kindness at goodness?
ganda na sila.
Ano ang pagkakaiba ng kindness at goodness? Kindness, goodness,
Faithfulness,
gentleness,
self-control,
faithfulness, and self-control. CC.
Yes.
Self-control. The fruits of the Spirit bears fruit. And also, love. That means God's 10 Commandments. Dahil ito ay the law of love. Love to God and love to man. Kaya, ang aking point is that, yes, ang ating salvation ay only comes in faith by grace alone with Jesus, but that doesn't mean we should stop there at hindi follow kanyang mga purpose at will for our lives. We also need to show His character in our lives. Yun lang.
Dapat